how to deploy a Laravel project on Vercel. So if you want to deploy a Laravel project on Vercel, then first you need to start by creating your Laravel project like usual. Then inside your project root, create a new folder and name it API. In that API folder, add a file or create a file called index.php and paste this line inside it. Now in the root of your project, create a Vercel ignore file and add this. This keeps Vercel from uploading unnecessary files during deployment. Next, you need to create a Vercel JSON file with your project settings, runtime, root config, and environmental variables. Be sure to point it to API index.php and include values like app-env, app-debug, and importantly, app URL. Then create an empty disk folder. Vercel expects 1 even if you don't use it. Now open your terminal and run Vercel to start the deployment. Accept the prompts, project name, scope, and whether to link to an existing project. If you get an error saying this folder is empty, don't worry. Head over to your Vercel dashboard, open your project, and go to Settings, Build and Development Settings. Once you're there, you need to check Output Directory and type Public, and then click on Save. After that, redeploy again your project with type on command, which is Vercel. If you run into a missing app key exception, run php artisan key generate. Copy the new app key from your env section of your vercel.json, then redeploy one more time. And you're live. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.